how to remove a Gmail account from Android. If you want to remove a Gmail account from your Android phone, here's the tutorial. First, open Settings on your phone and scroll to Accounts and click on it. And then select a Gmail that you want to remove from your Android phone. For example, I choose this Gmail. And the last one, just click Remove Account, and then your Gmail account will be removed from your Android phone, like this. And the Gmail have been removed. Okay, so that's all the simple tutorial on how to remove a Gmail account from Android. And don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video and have a nice day.